Namaste. Welcome to my math class, rational number. You know, natural number, whole number, fraction, integers, everything. Today we are going to study rational numbers. Before that, from where to start the natural number? Natural number starts from 0, not 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Is it? Natural numbers. Then whole numbers start from, that include 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then next we studied integers. Integers start from where? Integer include positive number, negative number, with the 0. That's it. That is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are integers. That is positive numbers, negative numbers with 0 combination. Next, we studied fraction. You know fraction. What is fraction? A fraction is numerator and denominator. Say, numerator and denominator. Fraction consists of numerator and denominator. Then, next we are going to study rational numbers. That is our topic. Rational numbers. In this fraction is only positive. There is only positive numbers. Is it? That is 3/4, 7/2. These are fractions. Then different types of fraction is there. What are the types of fractions? Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like that. Now we are going to study rational. That is, it consists of what? It is in the form of P/Q, where P and Q are integers. And Q not equal to 0 and Q not equal to 0. What is rational number? Rational number is in the form of P/Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. This is rational number. Here integers, you know, in integers there is positive and negative. So in rational number there is negative also. Okay, we include the negative. Fraction only positive. Rational number consists of positive, negative, 0. Everything, all the numbers are included. Next, here numerator, here also numerator and denominator. This rational number, sometimes numerator and denominators are positive. That is positive numerator and positive denominator. Then sometimes numerator is positive and denominator is, sometimes numerator is positive, denominator is negative, or numerator is negative and denominator is positive. Otherwise, numerator and denominator both are negative. Like this way we can write the fractions. Okay. If both the terms, numerator and denominator are positive, that is positive fraction. If it is negative, that is called negative fraction. Okay. These are the types of fraction. Next, using the fraction, using these rational numbers, we can find the equivalent rational number, then what simplest form or standard form, then addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything we can do it. Okay, we can do one by one. So first one, equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational number. First question, 5/4 equal to box by 16 equal to 25 by box equal to minus 15 by box. Do you know how to do? Recall the fraction. Go to the fraction. Then you can do it. First take 5 by 4 and equal to box by 16. Here see. 5 equal to unknown 4, 16. Compare these two. 4 and 16. So 5 by 4 into what gives 16? 4 into what gives 16? 4 into 4. That is into 4 in the numerator also. So 5 4s are 20. Next, 5 by 4 equal to 25 by box. Compare the numerator. Here both the numerators are given. So compare the numerator. So 5 by 4 into 5 equal to 25. 4 into 5, 20. Okay. Next, 5 by 4 equal to minus 15 by box. Here see, everything is positive but here negative. So 5 into what multiply gives minus 15? 5 into which number multiply? Which number is multiplied with the 5 gives minus 15? Which number? 3. Okay, 3. 5 into 4. 3. Okay, see here. 5 3s are 15. But what is given here? Minus. So, which 3? Minus 3 or plus 3? You want to write? Minus 3. When you write plus 3, you will get positive. But here we need negative 15. Is it? So, minus 15 by 12. Okay. Now, how to write the answer? 5 by 4 equal to how much? 20 by 16 equal to 25 by 20 equal to minus 15 by 12. This is the answer. This is equivalent. When you know the fraction very well, you can do this rational number also. Okay? Now we can see another one problem. The second problem, all of you take one rough note and do this problem. In your textbook, it is in page number 175. This problem is in the page number 175. Try this problem. So, minus 3 by 7 equal to box by 14 equal to 9 by box equal to minus 6 by box. This is the second problem. Do it first. Recall your fraction and integer. You can do this problem. Okay, we get it. Now see it. Minus 3 by 7 and box by 14. Compare these two denominators. 7 into what gives 14? 7 into what? 7 into what gives 14? 2. Is it? So minus 3 by 7 into 2. Write it in the numerator also. Minus 3 into 2. Minus 6. Minus 6 by 14. Next take. Minus 3 by 7 equal to 9 by box. Minus 3 into what gives 9? What? that is minus 3 into 3 by 7 into 3, that is minus 9 by, not minus, here minus 3 into minus 3, minus minus plus, so 9 by 21. See, next one is minus 3 by 7 equal to minus 6 by box. So here minus 3 into, here negative, so we want to multiply with positive. Say 2 by 7 into 2, that is minus 6 by 14. So the answer, how to write the answer? Minus 3 by 7 equal to 12. Minus 6 by 14 equal to 9 by 21 equal to minus 6 by 14. Okay, this is the problem. Understand? Equivalent fraction. Next we go to the next one. Rational numbers in standard form. Next is standard form. In fraction we study that is simplest form. Okay, this is also same as simplest form or standard form. Okay, see here minus 18 by 45. First one, minus 18 by 45. How to find the simplest form? So first we take the HCF of 18 and 45. Do you know how to find the HCF? You studied this in 6th standard and also in the 5th standard, 5th and 6th. So recall that 18, 45, which number divide these two numbers together? ഏത് നമ്പർ എടുത്താൽ നമുക്ക് 18 ഉം 45 നെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യും. ഒറ്റ നമ്പർ വേണം. Okay. Now 18, which table? And that table also wants to do divide the 45. Here 18 and 45, that is 18 is 9, 1 plus 8, 9, 4 plus 5, 9. Sum is 9. So which number divide these two? Okay, 3 and 9, is it? We can take the prime number 3. So that is 6, 1, 5. നമ്മുടെ ആദ്യം 3 എടുത്തു, 3, 6, 18 ഉം ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യും, 45 ഉം ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യും അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ 3 എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ 6 times 18, 15 times 45. Then take which number? അടുത്ത ഏത് നമ്പറാണ് 6 ഉം 15 ഉം ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഒറ്റ നമ്പർ വേണം. Same as 3, 2, 5. Same. Now any number? No. ഇനി ഒരു നമ്പർ ഇല്ല. എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ 2 ഉം 5 ഉം പ്രൈം നമ്പർ ആയിട്ട് അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യണം? What is the HCF? 3 into 3, that is 9. HCF is 9. With the help of this HCF, we can divide. That is minus 18 by 45 divided by 9. HCF കൊണ്ട് ന്യൂമറേറ്ററും ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യം ന്യൂമറേറ്ററും ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൻ്റെ HCF കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ആ HCF കൊണ്ട് ന്യൂമറേറ്ററും ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, സോ minus plus, minus negative divided by positive gives which answer? Negative. Then 18 divided by 9, 2. standard form. Our simplest form is minus 2 by 5. This is the way to find the simplest form or standard form. Okay, we will continue the next video.